Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
Yeah, man, I try, you know. You're right, you know, it's all gone. Oh, crap, the towel drop off. Alright, the towel is dry. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you would have seen, we had an abrupt end to the last video. Basically, we're going to do. Firstly, welcome back. You guys would have seen in the last video, we had an abrupt end because we're going to do an upstream hike. Just trying to get a few things together for that. While I was getting ready, they left me, so I'm just going to try to catch up. Oh wow, that's a tricky. Alright, so let's see. I think this is the way to go. Don't want to fall in that, so let's take our time. Processor. Trying to drop, you know. Oh, them processor. Probably not yesterday walk. I had to go in the water for that. Alright. So we should be back on track. You know, so we never did for cross. Come on, Maroons, we got this. Just have to be extra careful. Can't avoid the water unless we go this way and go over. We have to go that side and go over, so let's see. Oh, yo, a lot of fish in the water, you know. Surprisingly down. Whoa. There's that. Oh, sturdy. Now step over there. Alright, we're good. So the group is ahead of us. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're just doing a little river hike. If you guys haven't checked out the first part of this video where we did the hiking, or probably it's the same video, I'm not even sure, but just in case it's a separate video, go back and check out the first part of this camping video, where we arrived late last night. We kind of set up camp, and now we're doing a little river hike. Here's where they ditched the floats. So yeah, we're just going up. I'm going to try to stick to this side because this is the side that they were on. Woo! Have a slight headache, but we're here for it. Yo, this is so drop. This is such a beautiful place, guys. Like no jokes, it's so beautiful. Jamaica has a lot of these spots, you know, like just random breathtaking spots. It's amazing here. Crocs are definitely all purpose for any terrain. Any terrain, any biome, wear a Crocs. So it seems that side is impossible. So they're trying to turn back and to try use this side. So I'm just going to look at me leading the way. But there is a deep swimming hole that's right here. Perfect for the people that can actually swim, unlike me. Alright guys, so look at that. From the back to the front, we're forging on. Epic. You can tell that it's deep here, you know. Just look at how still the water is. That's how you know it's deep water. That little shrub area that I went through led me to here. The group is not too far behind, so they should catch up in a bit. But this is where it led me to. Yo, the scenes, bro. Look at the fishes. A lot of fish in the water, you know. Look at the scenes. This place is beautiful. Like no cap. This seems to be about waist deep. So let's take our times. Woo. Woo. It's technically waist deep. Well, not fully waist yet. Just above my thigh deep. Beautiful. Alright, let's see. The group is, I can't see them, but I guess they're on their way. Woo! My drop. Look at this spot. Beautiful. Alright, so the group coming. So at least now I know I'm not doing this alone. This place is beautiful. It's supposed to sound like a broken record, but it's true, it's so beautiful. Alright. Whoa, your son looks strong. We got this is Maroon. Don't know what to expect. Hey, wouldn't it be cool if there is like a waterfall at the top of this hike? That would definitely be the coolest thing. Now we're at a more gentle section of the river. So quiet. The group is behind me. Not far behind, probably about 20 meters or so behind me. So I'm not being reckless, guys. Don't be reckless. The group is right behind me in case of any emergency. Whoa. Oh wow, you can tell that there is deep, you know. Look like all around there is so deep. I have to go check. Let me check. Which parish is this? This is... Whoa, look on the big fish there. Yo, some big fish there here, so we have some big fish here, guys. I feel like the wise thing is to get out of the water here and just use the path by the side, because it gets deep there. Not sure how deep it is. Don't think I have to worry about any crocodiles because we're in St. Mary. Does St. Mary have crocodiles? No, I don't think so. If it was St. Thomas, then would be a real concern. So just be careful, watch your step, because you don't know what to expect, so we're just being extra careful. Oh wow, the whole of here is so deep, you see? So I made the right decision by coming up the path. If I was to come around, I would have all this still deep water to navigate through, which is not ideal. So we're just going up this path that's right here. Bit of jungle area. We're back at a section where the water seems you can see the bottom, so we can actually go back into the water here. Watch your step. Extra careful. Whoa. All right, more river. All right, let's go. It's been about 10 minutes and I haven't seen or heard anybody from the group. Hopefully they're still on their way, but this is so beautiful. I'm tempted to go on. Maroon, tell me, should I stop and wait on the group? Nah. We're at another deep spot in the river. You can see the water is a lot stiller here, and it seems as if in order to continue on, you'd have to cross deep waters. It looked like I would have to try to go across here, but there looks extremely deep. Let me just check. Yeah, so that's deep right there, and I would have to go across that. Yo, some big fish in the water actually. But I'm going to see if we can continue on the side here. So let's see. Alright, I have a wiser idea, Maroon. I'm actually going to backtrack and I'm going to cross to that side from the more shallow region. So I'm going to cross to that side down there, and then I should be able to track along that side. So let's go. See, one of the guides here from the group. So we're still not being too reckless, Maroons. You see, we're turning back to cross at a shallower part because the crossing that was up there, it would be a bit risky because it's a steep edge. Yeah, we did it. We figured a way around the obstacle that was there, so now we should have a clear path to go further up the stream. But again, guys must be sick of me saying this, but it's beautiful. I know for a fact that the camera isn't doing this any justice. Guys, if you get a chance, you have to go outside and experience the outdoors. Oh, look at the swimming area up here. I'll show you guys once I get up there. Yo, this is pretty. Guys, listen to this. This section sounds like uncharted lands. Hear the cicadas. As if. Go back. Go back. Can go. Guys, this sounds like uncharted territories. The cicadas, seems as if me enter them territory and them just start making noise. One of the guys signaling me. I want to know if it's a situation where we're turning back or we're going forward, or he just wants me to wait on the group. So I'm just going to wait for them to catch up and see what he says. So he wasn't stopping me, he was just asking a question. So yeah, we're going to continue along the hike. Hey, I pass some big fish down about the place them down the side. One falls up there? Yeah, that's another guy. Oh. Kinda far. One thing that's good about Jamaica, guys, apart from crocodiles, which are not everywhere, you don't have a lot of snakes or spiders or even scorpions that you have to worry about. I mean, there are scorpions here and there are spiders, but not really poisonous ones that would harm you. The snakes are harmless. The snakes here are harmless. We have mostly constrictors. Alright guys, so we're treading on slowly through this section, being extra careful because, as I say, we don't know the river. The guides don't know it. We're just exploring. And you know, so once you say exploring, you call my name. But it seems as if they want to turn back, but I would love to see the falls because they said that there's a falls up there. Hopefully a falls is like a swimming hole. Because they're not sure where the falls is, they don't know how far up it is. I feel like I'm going to go around the corner here, and if it's not there, we'll probably turn back. I guess that's what they're trying to say. I'm not sure, so I'm going to if I look around there and it's not there, then we'll just turn back. But ooh, watch that fish. It would be awesome if we could get to the falls. There's a corner there that I wanted to look around, but they're calling me back, and I don't want to be too disruptive, given that it's a guided tour and these persons are spider. These persons are basically responsible for our lives, given that they brought us out. So I'm not going to be too disobedient. As much as I would love to go around the corner to see, as much as I would love to go around the corner to see if there is a fall, they're calling me back, so I'm going to go back. Eh? But they don't want people, faintly hear something, but I can't tell if I falls or if I just rapids. But they just want people around the corner. Eh? Oh, that I look on it there and say. That me did I go do, but you me not sure, I don't want to be too disobedient, me say. Because I just did want people around the corner, enough to see how it's set up. Unfortunately, Maroons, it looked like this one wasn't meant to be. Man, I was fully committed to finding the falls, but it turns out they weren't actually calling me back. They were telling me to go ahead and look, and if it's close, then we would continue. Just misunderstanding, but it is what it is. So everybody decided that they're going to go back, so we're going to head back down to the base now. There's a section that I passed when I was coming up that had a log that I had to climb over. There was a jackfruit tree there, and it seems as if they found a few jackfruits in the tree, so that's a vibe. Recently got a comment on one of my videos from somebody from Denmark and somebody from the UK. So I know that my videos are, yeah, they're going global a bit. So just in case you guys don't know what a jackfruit is. Alright, so this is what a jackfruit is, just in case you don't know. When you cut it, I'll show you. We're basically back a few meters away from the campsite. The walk back was a lot quicker. I guess that's because initially we didn't go that far. Alright. So initially we really didn't go that far, but because we weren't sure of where we were going, it seemed a bit far. I mean, it's just after 12. Can't believe it's just after 12. We did so much already. Oh? It's a shame. Can't swim. We're back at 10 City with a cracks full of rocks.
Yeah man, you edit it and thing.
Eh?
You edit video and anything there. Yeah man.
One thing with Jamaica, you're never far from food, you know.
Yo.
He was a part of the Carmen, so yeah, this morning, make a price that I'm flour on some Carmen. Why? Why?
Not really, and everybody eat flour.
We can't get the back of them, please.
Never buying up balloon, the kids.
The back of the stuff them in their car.
Cup is a one holiday. Yeah, for the steel.
That's what you used to have.
From gas.
Let me know. Cut out this moment.
I left back.
Only the car piece stuck in there.
Who left come just so we come for the tree?
Betty, can a piece of jackfruit come to Michaela? It's my time, man, for that.
So no, I'm just chilling. So we finished eating the jackfruit. I then went and was laying in the river for about an hour. Then we started firing some slingshots, just talking. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that little hike. That little mini hike that we did. I'm a bit tired now and it's just after 2. Oh, well needed food. Don't enough firm. Playing games now, but my head's still hurting me, so I'm going to be sitting it out. Feeling a bit better, but still a headache. It's still hurting me too much to be playing games, so yeah. You guys can hear the festivities. Oh, they're festive, but my head. Alright, so it's getting dark, it's getting cold. Some start sneeze because they get cold. And a lot of mosquitoes and bugs starting to come down, so they're trying to fly in the tent. Maroons, you might ask why I'm going through Tent City in the night. It's because we have a special guest. I was in my tent and I heard that Uncle Ray is finally here. So I'm just going to say hi. Like it's not charge, I can probably just put it in your pocket.
Brother, wake up the brother. You now move right. Come. You now move right. You now move right. Now I'm having a club. Oh. Alright guys, so look like the rain done. Yeah. I'm actually getting the outside. So I came down here to brush my teeth and the rain came back down. So I'm kind of just sheltering under this tree for a bit. This is a learning experience for me. So I am a bit
aware or a bit educated on some of the challenges I might face when I choose to do my own camping. So one thing I learned is that you definitely need a base to put your tent on, and you definitely need a tar to keep off some of the water off the tent, because no matter how good the tent is, it is still possible for it to leak. Oh boy. So I need to make my way back up to that side and go in my tent, but just going to wait for the rain to ease a bit. Surprisingly, I'm happy that the rain fell on this trip. It gives me a more holistic camping experience. I understand what it is to deal with the extreme sun, well, a bit. I understand how to handle the rainfall and some of the precautions I have to set in place. So yeah, definitely I'm going to be investing in some equipment so that when I choose to do camping, I'm a bit more comfortable and a bit more prepared for these situations. Aim now is to go catch a quick shower. I didn't even take my towel because I have enough things wet. I don't want to wet up my towel. So just a quick shower, then we finish cleaning up the tent, and that should take us right to breakfast time before we have to leave.
They say you shower at work, good you have your body wash your hands up.
Yeah, man.
And I'm fine.
Me know you never gonna believe me, but me would have find it hard to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not touching, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing. 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 Yeah. I know my other body dancing in a giant up. Tell me what is record ever if it's spoil us. And I know I'm a feel you feel it too. I've been hot in a man like a big cartoon. And I remember when you tell me say you love me. It took a minute but you really did above me. And maybe we now wait till it's ugly before we give everything we have. No control of that. Nothing, 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 nothing.